In this lecture, let's learn how we could display the comments related to a particular post underneath that particular post. So let's say right after the name of the post and the caption, down right here, we want to display some comments. So how exactly would we do that? So in order to do that, I'll go back to VS Code. I'll go back to the page which is feed.html. And right now, up over here, in order to display the comments, every comment is actually associated with a post. That means if we could get access to the post, we could also get access to the comment as well. So that means we have to loop through all the posts, and once we have looped through the posts, we could loop through all the comments as well. So we are already looping through the posts here, and inside the post we could loop through comments. So we'll go right below where the title and the caption ends, which is this div right here, and we'll create our own div. And let's set the padding and margin for this one. So I would say px is 5 and py as 5 as well. So once we have this, up over here we are going to loop through all the comments which we have. So the problem here is that you might think that, okay, if you go to the views, we have not passed any kind of context here for comments. So if you go to views here, let me show you what I exactly mean to say. So the view which powers up the feed page is this particular view right here, and we are simply passing in posts. But now with posts, you could actually get access to comments because post is actually a foreign key for comments. So that means you don't have to query all the comments here, because if you query all the comments, it's actually going to give you all the comments related to all the posts. But what we want here is that we only want to get the comments of that specific post itself. And for that very reason, we are going to make a different kind of a loop here. So here let's create a for loop. So I would say for a single comment in, and instead of saying comments here and pass comments from the view, instead I would say post.comments.all, and then I will end my for here. So end for. And once we have this, we are simply going to display a single comment here by saying comment, and the extract of a particular comment lies in its body. So comment.body. And then I'm simply going to have a break tag here. So this is because we want to create a space between multiple comments if we have for a post. So once we have added that, let's see if we are able to display the comment. So if I hit refresh here, as you can see, now the comment for this particular post is being displayed. Now if I have to create another comment, let's say for another post, so I'll go ahead and try creating that, and let's see if that thing shows up. So let's say I want to create a comment for this one. I would say nice title post. Let's create that comment, and once that comment is created, I would hit refresh, and as you can see, it says nice title post here. So by making use of this logic, we ensure that a comment actually shows up after a particular post, and we do not have all the comments displayed on a single post. So this is the logic to do that. Now there's one thing missing in a comment here, like we don't know who exactly made the comment. And that's because we have not associated a comment with any kind of user. So if we go to the models here, we have created a comment model, but now a comment is no longer associated with a user. And also, even before associating a comment with a user, now we also need to have a way so that users could actually comment from here, because right now we are actually creating comments making use of the admin panel. So in the next lecture, let's go ahead and let's actually create a form so that users of our website could actually post a comment. So let's do that in the next one.